have Stuart gazing up into the ceiling, because I'm going to squirt water and see if we can see where it's leaking, because that's where I suspect it's coming from. These ones, there's also some more back there. So we get water running down, ending up on here and then down onto the floor. So I'll go man the hose. We didn't find anything. The last time it leaked was after a big long rain, and it wasn't much. We'll leave the ceiling out and see whether something eventuates in the next few weeks. Well, the best of the day is certainly going to be today and not tomorrow. Better go home and unload those solar panels. Right, well, you might ask, why am I driving down here? Well, I need to get down to the garage, and it's much more fun going right down to the beach and then back up than backing down. So I'll just have to pop it into four-wheel drive here. Right, here we go. Running on the engine braking. Well, here we are. My helper. Oh, there we go. I think it's going to be a day at home today.
On his own out there. You can also see Ethan Hooker, but they were really struggling numbers-wise, and the All Blacks had trace out not only what it means for both sides.
Well, after a lazy, rainy day yesterday, we've now got a windy day. It's Father's Day today. I've already spied some chocolates, so from Stuart. And might go down into the workshop and have a look at these solar panels. I've got 3 stacked there, and the other 3 are over there. So why did I buy these? They were on special at a very good price and were the right size to fit the back of the boat. The frame thickness is 35mm. A look at the back's also 35. Here's the back view. Not very interesting. And of course we have the standard MC4 connectors. I've just removed the cover. I was looking to see if there's any blocking diodes, but I don't see any. Oh, easily snaps back on. And my idea for mounting is aluminium angle, bigger than this, so 35. Both directions, equal angle by 3mm. This is 25 by 1 maybe. It's just a piece I've got lying around. And then that'll make the outside of the frames, and I'll probably get a T extrusion to go between the panels. So we'll see what's available, but something about that wide with a vertical lip running up. I'm going to join them with rivenuts. So I have a rivenut tool. I'll use aluminium rivenuts. These are steel ones. We might show you proof of concept. Right, I have mandrels from 4mm up to 8mm. I'll be using 8mm aluminium ones, so let's load it up. The first thing is to insert the mandrel, and it's left-hand thread. So I'll keep you guessing. And then the nose piece, which is also a left-hand thread. Takes your rivenut, puts it on, right-hand thread. Actually do it, you don't want to waste it, but you've got your 8mm hole. Shove this in the hole, squeeze the handles, and it will shorten the distance, just like a pop rivet. And then you remove it by winding the knob. Now this one's the depth, or the amount of squeeze. There's a picture of how it works. Now this one came from Grandad. Don't think he's ever actually used it. Right, so nutserts to make the frame up. We'll attach the panels probably through pop rivets into the wall. I've ordered some aluminium ones with aluminium mandrels, so we shouldn't get any rust. I don't actually have any of those here. I've got plenty of steel ones, aluminium ones with steel mandrels, mono, and stainless steel ones. For instance, these might be aluminium, but they've got a steel stem, so unless you can drive them all out, they're going to rust. Pneumatic riveter, that will fit in. Or maybe it won't. So joining the panels together is going to be a problem, but certainly from the outside it'll be fine. The lazy tongs riveter won't fit in, so you need these to pop mono and stainless steel rivets by hand. Oh, they're called lazy tongs because the old-fashioned way of putting stuff into your fire was to use tongs that extended like this. Oh, next drawer down, more rivets and the ubiquitous hand riveter. Let's try that. I'll pop that in here with the riv nut applicator so they're all in one place. I imagine you want to know why I'm going to use aluminium, not stainless. Well, it's a hell of a lot cheaper. I can weld both. Stainless is more difficult. And the big problem I see is there's no way you can actually get there and keep it beautifully polished and clean with solar panels all over the place. So aluminium is not going to have any rust stains on it. Oh, here's an offcut of a 3mm unequal angle. Not what we're going to use, but certainly thick enough to resist deformation and take riv nuts. For the poles down to the back, could use aluminium, but stainless is going to look a lot better. Got a stainless pole there, but it's a bit thick. I do have some aluminium flat plates, if necessary, for stiffening, and a decent hunk of equal angle. Aluminium is easy to cut with any tungsten tooth saw, but I want to get my cut-off bandsaw out. It's going to be a mission. Well, there's certainly not enough room in here to assemble it, but equally it's going to be bolted together, so as long as I measure correctly, I can do it all at the marina once it's all cut and all the fastening positions are in place. Oh, I think this will make a better voltage sense cable. Doesn't need to be very big, and I have a ton of it. I'll take a good length off. I think I've still got another pole. So these I bought ages ago. They've been out on the deck now for 20 years with absolutely no maintenance at all. And I had rectangular fittings at each end. I ground top one down. I use these for the shade sails. I'm going to prune the bananas for the ones that are already fruited. I have quite a few little ones starting to appear in the middle, so they will come through. Well, there's the first one. A few more. Oh, it all rots away. Very nice compost underneath. Well, I may not have got all of that, but certainly the ones hanging down over the drive that are going to fall down have been removed. Better cut this back. Oh, that's looking better. I'll scout lead that's not here for the moment. Get rid of it later. It's damn windy down here.